My beautiful people, my omoge, my lovely one, we don't come again with another sweet and yummy stew. But this stew, my people, una go like am. This one not be goat, so this one na chicken stew. As una dey see like this, so I just dey wash my tomatoes. Una know say na im be the first thing wey person go do. Abeg una no forget say I never greet una. I greet all of una according to the time una want to see this video. God go dey bless you now as una take dey follow this channel. Una go spoil at all, e go better for una. My people, we wan go cook this our yummy stew like this. Me, I don wash my tomatoes finish. Oh, na the tomatoes be this. Na not see as the tomatoes dey red. Na this chicken wey I just buy be that jare make I wan use for the stew. Mona see am now, I don put am for inside pot. Now I just dey put my curry. And no be everybody like to put curry oh, but me I like to put small because na chicken. Now I don put my maggi again. See am now, I don put am for inside, my people. And I don cover my pot. I dey put my onions so make the thing for take rhyme together. Una know say if onions no dey food no go dey okay, no go dey yum yum. I don cover am, my people. See am now, I dey try to use the toner make all the thing, the ingredients make I put for inside, make all of them dey circulate, make e enter. Una know say if e enter the way e go taste sweet for mouth that thing una go like am. See my people, now I don dey turn am oh. Now I don turn finish, so right now I wan try make I pack am because we no need to waste time. The thing don cook oh. You know say chicken not to get power like that now, that they boil am small. At least we just take time, boil am 20 minutes. Some people go boil am well. You know say this chicken, some people go like to fry am, some people not go like not to fry am. Na two ways oh. Anyway when you like, anyway you want make it be for you, now you go do. Now me I don dey pack my chicken. I want pack am put for plate because time non dey like that when they waste oh. See am, I don dey pack am. Now I just the stuff dey bail like this come on, so make I quick do am sharp because family they need to eat and they need to put something for belle. My people, see more than the same. I don dey pack am now, so I don pack am now. I don almost dey throw. My people, see am. You fit use anything to pack this chicken, all depends on you. Any spoon wey you like. Next thing now wetin you get you go use oh. If you like you go use say na fork you wan use, dey pick am one by one, no wahala. The one wey you know say e fit you and the one wey you know say you fit do, nobody force you, you go use take pack am. Na the one wey make juice be this. I don pack am finish oh. My people, see the next thing now, I don dey pour my groundnut oil. Hey, our stew don dey get face. We don dey start the work oh. I wan check am if the groundnut oil dey okay for all the tomatoes make I wan use. I need to check am well oh. Now I don pack my onions put. For me, my people, now go observe say this our stew mo wan prepare, so our chicken stew I no be fry my meat because me I no be the type wey like to dey do fry because say I feel say everything that go comot am for belly. I know say small pikin go still eat for inside this thing. If e too dry like this, she no go like to eat am and she no go enjoy am. Now I don put my onions. I dey try make I steam am make e enter the oil small for inside. Now people na know as e dey be now. Now I don dey put am. Right now, I just give am small time. I don pour my tomato. See the tomato now. Now, not see as the tomato dey red. I don pour am. Me, I no like to add in tomato, but if you like to add, no wahala. But me, I don pour my tomatoes put for inside though. See am now. Everything be this when I pour for inside my groundnut oil. Now I dey try to turn am, but not to turn am like that because I want make him boil by itself. My people, my correct people, my omoge, my kings and queen. No, no say this stew not be waiting the hard to cook like that. Me, I don pour everything put. I don cover am. See stew now. I don't see as they do cutter. I want put my meat inside. This my chicken. I want make it enter. Make tomatoes enter everywhere. Una know say if tomatoes enter everywhere, the thing go come soft and you come dey succulent. The stew go come dey yummy for everybody. Not be me alone. See am now. Una know see how they do chuku. More na see stew don dey get face. Mona say I don dey turn am oh. See am now, but this stew face now I like am o, because the face fine. In fact, if you just look the face like this, you don belle full for your stew, my people. See am now, here I dey turn like this. I just dey run am, I dey put am well, make sure say everything dey inside. Now I don cover am again, my people. See, I don come again, add my small maggi again, whether e no reach before, make it for still quick enter. Don put na him I dey do, so I come still turn am. I know say stew wey sweet and stew wey fine, we dey like to dey turn am well well, my people. See, na him I don dey do like this. So my correct people, my kings and queen, this our yummy stew wey we dey prepare, so e don dey get face, e don dey ready o. Now e go soon done o, because the oil say e don dey come out for the face. We don even dey see am as e dey go. See am now, my people. I don bring the oil come out, I don dey check am. See this stew, abeg make una plate na, wetin una dey wait for? Make una boil the rice, wey dey boil the rice put for this stew. Oya na, no time to waste o. This stew don dey go, e don dey do yum yum yum. My people, see am, I don dey try to dey turn am na. This stew be this one, we just dey do like this. See am, see oil when e dey on top. And my people, una know say no be everybody like to dey see oil like this, but that oil dey make the stew dey fine. You go like the oil, you go like am, because e go make am fine. You come dey very very attractive for people wey dey like better thing. My people, see am, the stew don dey ready. I don add small salt, na small I put o. I don add small salt put for the stew, make e can give me that taste wey I want. In fact, na the final taste be this, so make e give me that final. Now I wan turn am, because of the salt when I add join put just now. I just dey turn am now, make I see am. See, my people, see, I don turn am o. I don turn this stew again. Yeah, this stew, right, Oni don bring a plate, because he know he like better thing. He wan quick go rush kiti kata go boil rice put, make him take jolly. Na people, see am, I just put am for hand just to check am. Now I see add small salt again, because when I check am, I feel say the thing no reach for my mouth. Now I don add small salt again put for this stew. Now no see the face, I don try give am small rounding up again. Now rounding up I call am o. People, see am now, the stew don dey come. We don almost dey ready. We wan almost put am down, because the stew sef don give face. The stew don ready, everything don suck for this stew. Suckle when I bring everything, my people. Now I don cover am. I want everything wey I put, me all of them same together, me all of them circulate together. So now see the stew now. This is ready to go. In fact, ready to eat. We don ready to eat the stew like this, my people. Make una see everything don ready o. Wait, next again, we don put everything putable for inside this stew like this. So now to begin to put the necessary thing, which is to boil and put, which is the rice, and start to the dish. Now rice you wan use, is allowed. If na yam too you wan say use for this stew,